Welcome to a new episode. Today we are tackling the electrical problems on my Volkswagen Passat. Or at least some of them. That's not there on this car, I forgot.
So, a couple years ago, I started this car and let it idle. After a couple of minutes, I saw smoke coming out of the fuse box area. I quickly turned off the engine and poured some water on it. No more fire, but some of the wires were burnt. I called my insurance, they came and took a look at it, and they totaled the car. But they said I could do whatever I want with it, if I wanted to fix it or to scrap it. So today I'll try to fix or mend the damage that was done.
Okay, this is the ECU. Boom, boom. Careful with that one. Yeah, here you can see the wire that burned. You can see that it has been really hot, and it goes right there to this fuse. I'll show you what this fuse goes to later. This was laying over here, so I have to look into if those wires are burned through or if they're okay. There we have the fuse. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, be my friend. Don't be a dick. Now, start removing stuff until I can see the wire on this side. Ow. That was sharp. Broke. Okay. That was actually not so bad. Yeah. Much better. This is what it looks like. There are some fuses, relays. Some more, and here's all the wiring, or some of the wiring. And I suspect that it is this one. I inserted one end into the burnt wire. We will put this into... Yes. Then I will take the other lead. Just double check. No worries. Then it's probably this one. So this is the old cable. Bought a new one in the same dimension. That ain't going nowhere. I'll now feed it through so I know how much cable I will need. Cable. I got my hands on another fuse holder. I didn't like the old one. So now it's a good overlap. Looking good. You can see the solder just melting and everything. Hopefully I can get this back over. Yes. Why won't you focus? Now I can install this into the car. I have to say, the new one looks quite a lot better. That's been rubbing against here. I pull off one of the caps for the glow plugs on the fuse, like so, and the other one in the cap of the glow plug, and we get, so this goes to the glow plugs. So far so good. I think I'm all done with the soldering and reconnecting, so I will just put the ECU back in, connect the battery, and just check if everything seems okay before I install it properly. Okie dokie. Do we start? Yeah, the car started easier than in a long time, which it probably should. So that's really good, and it was a bit rough on the idle and everything, but it has been standing for a while, never got not up to temperature. So I do really hope that we have fixed it. I will install it back together now. Boom. Yeah, I can fix that now. This looks a bit better. I got almost everything back together. Check that everything fits and nothing's rubbing, and it's okay. Now also, this is the bracket that holds the ECU down. Yeah, let's do something about it. Man, I love sandblasting. This thing looks so good. You can start this thing up, drive it outside, and read out some fault codes.
Of course it didn't fix every problem, but that's for another episode. See you in the next one.
Oh, this is shaking. That is probably the reason it is shaking.